We just got a package. We just got... I've been waiting for this since yesterday. I ordered me some new wax from Sexy Smooth Wax. So like I said, I ordered the Purple Production and their new one, Tickled Pink. So I've heard that these are amazing. Okay, so I want to try them out. Y'all see me clean my wax pot. I'm about to get started. I don't know which one to use though, cause I heard they both were. I think they both were wow. Okay, so resin-free, formulated with innovative hydrocarbon resin. The results of an advanced chemical synthesis that makes them particularly stable over time. It's hot, y'all. I just ran to go get it because I was trying to catch my mailman. Because when I ordered this, I ordered it under my other alias, which is, you know, Tomboy Quinn, duh. And it didn't have on my apartment number. So it was Tomboy Quinn, just my address. So I think I'm gonna use Tickled Pink because pink is one of my favorite colors. But I was surprisingly soft and ultra gentle tear, easy to apply, even at a low temperature. So, yeah. Ooh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I'm so in love right now. Hope I don't need no more. It's just for my underarms. Look how beautiful that is, y'all. I chose the right one. All right, so y'all, it's that time of the month. Well, it's been that time of the month for months now. As an esthetician, my armpits should not look like this. This is months and months of, look at that, that's crazy. I should cut it, but I should, cut some off. Nah, should I? I think I'll be all right. The pain come, the pain come. Let me cleanse. At this point, I decided to do a voiceover because I'm just quiet and putting on powder. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. I should just put it on my glove and just wiped it into my arm because I made the same type of mess and ended up doing it anyway. So, what's going on? All right, so like I said, it's been that type of month. It's been that time of the month for the past couple of months for me. I ain't had no time to wax. Well, I probably did, but I just did. So I will say that, and I'll talk through this. I will say that when I did first start waxing, what was I trying to say? When I did first start waxing. Oh shit. The wax that I used, the first one, I need another some more because I didn't do that right. I don't think it's happening because that was not supposed to happen like that. When I first started waxing, I used the Trust Wellness one. I didn't really like how it was, but this one seems really good. You know, the melt time was about 15 minutes. I didn't pour a lot in there, so I don't know if that's for, you know, but I will say that when I did wax, there we go. When I did wax, I started waxing for a while. You know, I just probably do. I'll get that dry. might just do my arm today because, oh shit. All right, you know, see, look at that. Look at all of those. I will never wait this long again. And I'm gonna cut the other one because, baby, look at that wax strip. So I learned a trick, you guys. I was so scared to pull this strip that I let it sit too long, okay? So if you ever do that and it hardens the way that this shit was hard. So I learned a trick. If it hardens and you can't pull it, because I feel like that shit was stuck to my skin. Like, I know I gotta do a cleanup, I gotta go up. But I feel like it was stuck to my skin. I learned a trick. If it gets too hard, if it hardens and if it gets too hard, just go ahead and lay some more wax over it to warm it up. And it works. That's how I just got this. That's why it looks like that. Because this, I pulled everything up until here and it was stuck. And I'm like, pulling. That shit felt like it was stuck to my skin. So with that being said, I'm like, okay, well, let me see. Something just was like, just put more wax on it. This is a crazy trick. But yeah, so that works. If you ever get scared and can't pull it off, add some more wax to it. Simple as that. And there we go. I'm not gonna show y'all my other arm. We'll see. But I am gonna cut it because that was an issue too. So I'm gonna cut it. This is how it looks. You know, I'll do a cleanup strip. See, pinpoint bleeding, normal. Okay, this is my cleanup strip. I'm just checking to make sure that. Okay, so I love this wax. It picks up everything that it needs to pick up. I don't know if y'all can see it. But yeah, let me just do my other wax. I'm not ever waiting this long again though.